Hello everyone and welcome back to SAH Mehta Investment Intermediates for yet another IPO profiler video. मेरा नाम है आनंद वरदराजन and I am the Director for Innovation and Growth with SAH Mehta Investment Intermediates Limited. आज इस वीडियो में हम एक और IPO के बारे में जानने वाले हैं which is from SAH Polymers. SAH Polymers का IPO ओपन हो रहा है 30 दिसंबर 2022 को और क्लोज होता है 4 जनवरी. इस इशू का साइज है अबाउट 66.3 करोड़ विच इज अ फ्रेश इशू ऑफ शेयर्स विच इज गोइंग टू इन्वेस्टर्स एंड इसका प्राइस बैंड जिसमें आने वाला है इट इज बिटवीन 61 रुपीज टू 65 रुपीज पर शेयर. इसका जो लॉट साइज होगा इज अबाउट 230 शेयर्स अ लॉट. इसका फेस वैल्यू रहेगा 10 रुपीज पर शेयर एंड द अलॉटमेंट इज गोइंग टू हैपन ऑन 9th of January 2023. SAH पॉलीमर्स के बारे में अगर हम कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन जानने की कोशिश करें इस कंपनी का इनकॉर्पोरेशन हुआ था 1992 में where they were involved in manufacturing of high density polyphenol bags, woven sacks and all other packing and packaging industry के लिए जो material use होती है they are primarily into that kind of business. They are broadly having two business divisions. One is their domestic business division and the international business division. Their domestic business division has been prevalent for quite a few years and they have also expanded significantly on the international side. International markets में अगर हम देखें तो they are present in 6 regions internationally which is spreading across Middle East, Africa, Europe, US, Australia and the Caribbean. अगर हम इनके सर्विसेज के बारे में बात करें apart from producing their own material and their own stuff for their clients, they also do a lot of support activity for B2B businesses. They also cater to various industries such as agro-pesticides, basic drug industry, cement industry, chemical industry, fertilizer industry, food products industry, textile industry as well as ceramic and steel industry. So ये इनका background है. So अगर हम देखें कि ये IPO में जो पैसा रेस कर रहे हैं, what is this money going to be used for? There are 3 broad purposes for which this money is being raised. पहले तो है कि इनका जो नया ऑर्डर बुक है उसके लिए ऑर्डर फुलफिलमेंट के लिए they are going to need a little bit of cash flows which is going to be used as working capital which is going to be very important. They are setting up a new manufacturing facility for manufacturing a new variant of flexible intermediate bulk containers जिसको FIBC कहते हैं. They are also going to use a part of this money for repayment or prepayment of the loans taken within the company or their subsidiaries, and also they have certain other corporate requirements because of which they are raising these funds. So this is just a little bit of background of what is the money which is going to be used for. और अगर कंपनी के competitive strengths के बारे में बात करें, they have a very strong product portfolio and they are catering to very diverse industries and sectors and across various and diversified geographies as well. They have a strong management team in place and they are very careful in evaluating their business model and very careful in terms of evaluating their expansion plans and so on and so forth. अगर हम इनके business के key financial metrics को देखें, their revenue for the financial year ending 2022 was about 80.51 crores. Their operating profit was about 70 crores. Their EBITDA margin was about 8.7%. Their return on net worth was about 16.42%. Their debt to equity ratio is 1.15% and their diluted EPS stands at about 2.81%. Whenever we look at any issue or any company, there are certain risk factors always associated with it. अगर हम देखें इस issue में जो पैसा रेस किया जा रहा है, some part of it is going to be used for prepayment and repayment of loans. So the company does have a legacy of taking loans which fortunately they are going to prepay or repay by means of this IPO. Every business model has its cyclicities, so वो cyclicities इस business में भी रहेंगी. But because of the diversification of their business and diverse industries that they cater to, we believe that they do have a sustainable business model. As always, like we keep saying, SAH Mehta and Investmentz.com platform provide you a very seamless way of subscribing to IPOs through very few simple and easy steps. So we look forward to having you on board, subscribing to the SAH Polymers IPO, and we look forward to a long-term association with you. Thank you very much.